Hi guys, if you're watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Now, today we'll learn hairstyles in CorelDRAW. Go to File, take New, name keep it as hairstyles. Click OK. We got the page. Now go to File, go to Import. Just this image I downloaded from Google. I just imported it here. Go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace. Go to High Quality Image. Here we can see this is which we downloaded from Google, and this is now we are converting it to vector image. See, detail should be in high. Smoothness you can increase, and you can see the difference here. Corner smoothness, you can see the edges smoothing. Just press OK so that you will get the vector image. This is the vector image and this is the Google image. Press this and click delete. Get into the center. Now take a rectangle. Just give it a color. This is about the hairstyle. So right click, go to order, click to back of page so that hairstyle will come front and the orange part will go back. Click on hairstyle, press Ctrl U so that all hairstyles will be ungrouped so that we can delete the white part. Press on white part and click delete. Repeat the step for everything on each white part. Click white part and press delete so that white portion will get deleted. If you want, you can increase the size so that it will be very easy to delete the white part. Now select this orange part and click delete so that hairstyles got remained. Now select each hairstyle. Press Ctrl G so that it will be in group so that you can move wherever you want. Repeat the same step for all hairstyles. Group it, keep it aside. Select hairstyle, press Ctrl G. Repeat the step, press Ctrl G, move it aside. Ctrl G so that you can move wherever you want. Here you can see the white part. Click on the hairstyle, press Ctrl U so that it got ungrouped. Select this white part and delete. Now select and group it. See, we got the 5 hairstyles. If you like my channel, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys.